today I am in North Lakeland in God's country, and boy, do I have a home for you. So if you're looking to live in the country, you want some land, this one is a 2021 manufactured home on an acre of land, and it also has a chicken coop as well, and it's all fenced in. And I just want to give you a tour of this and contact Elizabeth Willers with SERHANT if you would like to see this one. So first of all, here is the front. It's all gated in the front here. It's all gated on the sides. This is the home. It's a 2021 Fleetwood, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's 924 square feet. This is dry land. Look how beautiful this is. Goes all the way back there, and there's a creek back there when it's not dried up. So when the rainy season hits, you will have a creek back there. So that's pretty cool. Here is the chicken coop. The owners were using it as a cat playhouse, but this could very easily be turned into a chicken coop. So here is the view from the side. I hear roosters. This has a water filtration system, water softener from Culligan. You just have to pay for the salt. And here it has a back porch. So let's take a look what it looks like inside. Did you hear those roosters? Look how, listen how quiet it is up here. Okay, when you first walk in, you have the family room and the kitchen. All this space here. These appliances are 2021. Look at the beautiful shaker cabinets. And then this is your view from the kitchen. Nice family room. Okay, and then this is a split plan. So one side has the primary and the other side has the guest bedroom. So here's guest bedroom number 1 with a walk-in closet. And then here is the guest bathroom with the bath and shower combination. Here's bedroom number 2 with the closet. I'm loving this wood look flooring. And then on the opposite side, you have the primary bedroom and the laundry room. So here's the back door entrance. Here is the laundry room and the washer and dryer stay. Here is the primary, nice size primary. And then you have a walk-in closet. And then let's check out the primary bathroom. Again, you have the tub shower combination. You have the vanity. And then all this bathroom space. And this is your exit right here.